Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to coupon and save money on one of my favorite things of all time to coupon, laundry supplies. I don't know what it is about a full shelf of laundry supplies in my stockpile that just makes my heart oh so happy. So here are 10 laundry supplies deals that you can do this Saturday, November 5th at Dollar General. If you enjoy couponing and you would love to see other couponing deals, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you. And if you enjoy these deals, please do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It goes a long way to help support my channel and my work here, so it is greatly appreciated. So let's get started with the reason you're here. For our first laundry deal, you could grab 2 count packs of Febreze Small Spaces for $11. And by the way, these are amazing to put in your car. They last so much longer and they smell amazing. Grab 1 bag of Gain Flings for $7.50. And then 1 bag of Tide Pods for $9.95. When we add everything up before coupons with this deal, our total retail value comes to $28.45. Now, after all coupons, and of course that includes a 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon, you gotta make sure you clip that one. That one's super important. Our total out of pocket comes down to $16.15 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $12.30. That is awesome when you consider just the full price of the Tide Pods is $9.95. So you're saving more than the full price of just the Tide Pods. Our second laundry deal is for sure one of my favorite deals of the week. Grab 1 pack of Schick razors for $5.35, and then grab 2 containers of Downy Unstoppables for $21.90. We have a $5.90 off of 2 Downy Unstoppables coupon to use with it. It is very much a rare coupon. If you enjoy Downy Unstoppables for your family and you want to save up and stock up on them, I highly encourage you to take advantage of this coupon before it expires. I would be surprised if we see it again. I don't think I've ever seen us have this exact coupon before. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $27.25. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $14.35 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $12.90. That's actually more than buy one, get one free for the Downy Unstoppable. Such a great time to stock up. I highly encourage you to take advantage of this coupon. Now, one of the things I've been wanting to stock up for my own stockpile is dryer sheets. A friend of mine recently suggested, because I have a dog that sheds like it's her full-time job and dust in my house, recommend that I use dryer sheets to dust my baseboards. So I've been wanting to stock up, and this is a great deal to do that. First, grab 1 box of Bounce Pet dryer sheets for $5.75, 1 box of Gain dryer sheets for $7.50, 1 box of Bounce dryer sheets for $9.95, and then 1 bottle of Eucerin lotion for $5.75. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value with this deal comes to $28.95. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $15.95 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $13. Such a great time to stock up on dryer sheets. For our fourth laundry deal, grab 1 box of Gain dryer sheets for $7.50, 1 bag of all free and clear laundry packs for $9.50, 2 cans of Febreze Air Effects for $6.50, and then 1 bottle of this Palmolive dish soap for $3.25. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.75. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $13.45 plus tax, of course. So that's a total savings of $13.30. For our fifth laundry deal, grab 2 packs of Febreze Small Spaces for $6.50, 1 of the big bottles of Purex laundry detergent for $9.50, grab 1 bottle of Eucerin lotion for $5.75, and finally, grab 1 box of Colgate Total toothpaste for $4.50. Now, when we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value with this deal comes to $26.25. After all coupons, though, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $10.95 plus tax. That's a total savings of $15.30. Such a great time to stock up on laundry detergent. Our sixth laundry deal is a really good example that just because you don't have a coupon for an item or two doesn't mean you can't score a really good deal on it. So first, grab 1 tub of True Living Oxy Cleaner for $5, One box of Borax detergent booster for $6. If you've never tried Borax, by the way, I highly recommend it. It is amazing at getting all those extra stubborn stains out of your laundry. Grab one bottle of Gain Fireworks for $7.50. One bottle of Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner for $2.50. And then one pack of the Schick razors for $5.35. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.35. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $16.85. So that's a total savings of $9.50. Not bad when you consider two of the rather large items in this deal didn't even have coupons. I am so excited for our 7th laundry deal. Grab one bottle of Gain Fabric Softener for $7.50. Two 6-count packs of sparkle paper towels for $15. I don't know about you, but when I woke up on Sunday morning to this awesome $4 off of 2 sparkle paper towels coupon, I was so excited. Like, I don't think I have ever seen us get this coupon. It is for sure the best time for us to stock up on paper towels going into the holiday season. And then grab 2 cans of Febreze Air Effects for $6.50. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $29. I know that's a little bit high of a total, but that is why we coupon, right? After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $14.70 plus tax. That's a total savings of $14.30. That is almost the full price of just the paper towels alone. Such a great time. Don't let this coupon expire without taking advantage of it if you're wanting to build a paper towel stockpile. For our 8th laundry deal, grab 2 boxes of Colgate Total toothpaste. They are $4.50 each. We have 2 different coupons for them. First, clip this $2 off of 1 Colgate Total toothpaste coupon, and then clip this $1 off of 1 Colgate Total toothpaste coupon. Grab 1 bag of Gain Flings for $7.50. And finally, 1 bag of Tide Pods for $9.95. So let's add this up. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.45. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $14.45 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $12 for this deal. For our 9th laundry deal, grab 1 bottle of Eucerin lotion for $5.75. One of these bottles of Palmolive dish soap for $3.25. Grab 1 bag of Tide Pods for $9.95. And finally, grab 1 bottle of Gain Fabric Softener for $7.50. Our total retail value for this deal comes to $26.45. Now, after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $13.45 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $13. Really great deal to stock up on laundry supplies. For our 10th laundry deal, grab 1 box of Bounce Strata Sheets for $9.95, 1 container of Gain Fireworks for $7.50, 1 box of Colgate Optic White toothpaste for $7.50, and finally grab 1 pack of Schick razors for $5.35. When we add everything up before coupons with this deal, our total retail value comes to $30.30. But after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $16.30 plus tax. That is a total savings of $14. That is way more than just the full price of just the Bounce Strata Sheets. Such a great deal to take advantage of. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, I hope this video helps you save a lot of money this week and stock up on laundry supplies for your stockpile. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love for you to click on that subscribe button and join in on all the awesome deals every week. And right next to the subscribe button is a little bell icon. Click on the bell icon and turn on all notifications. That way, when I post any of my future deals or I do one of my fun couponing after dark live chats, you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.